Welcome back, everybody. Today we have a Homelite pressure washer. So I'm going to talk a little bit about it first. Obviously it's already off. So down here we have the remains of what was the pump, and what happened was there's usually only 4 bolts that you got to take off, and you can see where they're at. So what happened is I took the 4 bolts off, I tried to pry it and it wasn't coming out. The next thing I tried was taking it apart, seeing if I could get in there and take out the pump, but obviously you can only go so far. There was a plate in the way, which was, I believe, this part, and I could not get through it whatsoever. So the next thing I tried was 2 pry bars on each side, just prying, nothing. So then I tried torching it. Obviously I drained it, but still there's a little bit of danger in that, especially because the gas tank is directly above, so I had to be really careful. Next thing you know, I started cutting into it. So I chopped off quite a bit, actually, just with the Sawzall. That seemed to kind of loosen it a little bit, and in the end what really did it was I put a pry bar and I started hammering at the same time. I hammered it so bad this way towards us, and it finally came out. So what happened is it rusted on there, it seized up in there, and that's why the pump wasn't coming out. So usually you don't have to do all that, but just to save you some time, pry bar and a hammer should do it. It took me quite a bit, but it's off and we're ready to put our new one on. So here we have our new pump, and this is from Amazon. I usually don't like to buy many parts off of there, but we're trying to go cheap on this one. And so that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and sand this and we'll get going. I'm gonna use this to sand it off. It's just a little Scotch-Brite pad, and once we got that all, I'm gonna use some brake cleaner. By the way, this is a good time to change out this seal if it's leaking. Ours looks to be fine, so we're gonna leave it. Once we got everything cleaned up, we're ready to put our pump on. I'm gonna put this key right here. I rotated the crankshaft, so to prevent from getting stuck again or seized up, I'm gonna put some anti-seize, and then we're just gonna slide our pump through. Make sure to line it up. Right here you can see the key mark. So mine goes to the left side like this. So now we're gonna put our bolts on. Should have 4. Once you got the bolts threaded through, go ahead and tighten them up. And I like to do it in a crisscross pattern. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. On the side over here we have our spark plug wire. Go ahead and unplug it. There's our spark plug. Use a 13/16 socket. Our spark plug looks a little fouled up. I don't know when this has been changed, so I'm just gonna go ahead and change it out. So that spark plug is equivalent to the NGK BPR 6ES. We're gonna get it out. Gap should be 3/100ths of an inch. I believe that's how you say it. This one was spot on, so no adjusting necessary. I'm gonna put a little bit of anti-seize on this. Your preference. If you don't like to, don't do it, obviously. And now we're gonna put the spark plug back in. Make sure it has a little bit threaded. Don't use an impact or this. I like to get it near, and then the rest, hand tighten it. When I feel the crush washer crush, that's when we know it's good. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of dielectric grease here. Like I said, not a lot. And push that back in. On the side here, let's get an oil pan under there. However you can, get creative. There we go. Okay, once we got our oil pan, let's take out our fill plug. Once we got our fill plug out, 10 mil drain plug. Take that out, drain the oil. All right, once it's done draining, we're gonna get a brand new crush washer, put it through, and we're gonna go ahead and put the drain plug back in. You definitely don't want to use an impact on tightening that up. Now you'll start tightening and you will feel the crush washer. So not too much. Yeah, I don't have the exact torque specs, so recommended weight for the oil is 10W30, but you could still use some regular 30 weight. Let's go ahead, put a little funnel in there. Then our dipstick, we got low fill and then high fill. We're gonna go a little bit towards the top. Okay, now we're gonna check it. Well, we went a little bit over what I wanted. So I'm just gonna tilt it a little bit. Yep, there we go. Perfect. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the video off here. If you liked the video, go ahead, give me a thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.